Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Just a quick reminder, tomorrow after the close we have the Tesla earnings, so keep that in mind. And if you have positions on, whether they're long or short, adjust your stops accordingly. So we'll probably get out an update after they release earnings, but this is the update prior to the release of earnings. Still holding at the 4-hour bottom of the rotation zone. And then you'll notice the 50 and the 200 coming in, right, converging at this 316. Remember that level because I'm going to just call it the dailies we're watching for the upside and the downside. So that 316 area reinforced by the top of the rotation zone. If we get through that, next key area I'll be watching is if they post numbers and it rallies after hours, next key area we'll be watching is about 325, where the 50 is. That gets us into this gap that was not filled. Through there, we'll be watching for a partial gap fill. The next key level we'll be watching for is about 335 right here, this prior major support becoming resistance. And then the next target after that to the upside would be the significant level and the full gap fill. So that's what we're watching to the upside. To the downside, first little area of key support is this 292 area right in here. And then the most recent lows, 279.14, and then 266.60. And then below that, the rising trend line. Let's just zoom out to the weekly, keep everything in perspective so you can see those dual rising trend lines. Might be some minor support at that 200, but I'm really going to be watching these trend lines, especially in conjunction right in this area. If we go down, if we gap down or go down tomorrow after earnings, if they miss or disappoint, whatever happens, that's where these prior candle bodies are. There's some pretty key, that's a key area of support in converging with this first trend line. And then through that, we have the bottom wicks converging with the second trend line lower. So those are all the key areas. By the way, that level's around 254. So those are all the key levels we're watching. The upside, downside, don't know anybody's position. Just wanted to let you know what we're looking for educational purposes. Also, you see here, let me zoom in. Zoom back in here. All the key moving averages we do at the first cross the rotation zone on the weekly, and everything's converging at this 316. That's the most important level I'll be watching for on any bigger upside move, is this 316. That's what we have for you on this last update before Tesla announces earnings after market close tomorrow. So you're going to have a full day of trading, and then they're going to announce it, so be prepared. And you can watch the after hours price action. We'll try to get out a video tomorrow night covering some of the after hours price action. So we have for you on this quick update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.